16 says the process of plant reproduction has a series of steps. Place the steps below in the correct order that they would occur in order for plant reproduction to happen. So our options are seed dispersal, fertilization, pollination, germination. Well, I know that germinate is grow. It's hard to write on the computer, so bear with me for a sec. And I know that because they start with the same letter, G and G. But this is last. So germination should be fourth, because the last thing that's going to happen is that seed's going to start to grow. So that should be the last one. The first thing that should happen is pollination. Pollination should be first. That's when a little insect visits a flower and it picks up some pollen and it moves it somewhere else. Fertilization should be, second, because once that pollen gets to another flower, it's going to stick to that sticky stigma and it's going to work its way down into the ovary where those seeds are. And once it gets down into that ovary, pretend that looks good, and it finds the seeds, pretend that looks good, then it's going to fertilize those seeds. So once they're fertilized, then they can disperse. Dispersal is third, and that means that they're going to scatter or leave or go. So pollination is first. Pollen moves from one plant to another. Fertilization means the pollen got into the ovary and fertilized seeds. Disperse, the seeds leave, and then finally those seeds would grow. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pollination, fertilization, seed dispersal, germination.